Hi, friends! Today's quiz is about amazing birds. Are you ready? If a mother bird sneaks one of her eggs into another bird's nest, will the owner raise it thinking it's her own? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A cuckoo sneaks its egg into another nest, and the owner raises it thinking it's her own. Can a certain bird copy the sounds of other animals or even machines? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Some birds are such good mimics that they copy other animals and even machine sounds. Is a little sparrow's beak shaped very differently from a big eagle's beak? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Each beak is shaped to match its food, so a sparrow's and an eagle's beaks look very different. Are a bird's feathers there only for flying? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Feathers aren't just for wings. They also cover the body and keep it warm from the cold. When a parrot copies human words, does it understand what the words mean? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A parrot mostly just copies the sounds without knowing what they mean. Does every newly hatched baby bird open its eyes right away and toddle around? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Some chicks hatch bald with closed eyes and need to be cared for a long time. Do people sometimes cook and eat a nest that a bird built out of its spit? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A kind of swift builds its nest from hardened spit, and people make a dish out of it. Are all the eggs that birds lay white? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Many eggs come in different colors and patterns, like blue eggs or speckled ones. When traveling far, do birds find their direction by looking at the sun and stars? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Migrating birds use the sun, the stars, and the shape of the land to find their way. Is a nest a home where a bird lives its whole life, from birth to death? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A nest is only used to lay eggs and raise chicks. Birds don't live there the rest of the time. You did great today. See you next time. Bye.